Nalgene's best-selling water bottle for more than 20 years. Made a BPA-free Tritan co-polyester with superior impact resistance, dishwasher safe on top rack. Suitable for both warm and cold beverages, wide mouth makes cleaning and adding ice cubes easy. Opening accommodates most water filters, marked with milliliters and ounces for easy measurement. Nalgene is a proud part of the Thermo Fisher Scientific family. For 70 years Nalgene has been making a wide range of BPA-free reusable water bottles and containers to suit your personal preferences, needs and lifestyle. Top reviews from the United States. Best water bottles made. Great water bottle. Super durable yet light enough to take backpacking. I fill mine 3/4 full and freeze it solid for a full day's worth of ice-cold water on the trail. On winter camp outs I fill it with boiling water and put it in my sleeping bag to keep me warm. I've dropped it many times hiking and climbing and it didn't do anything. I prefer the wide mouth for easy adding of ice and powdered drinks with the addition of a splash guard for easy drinking. See pictures. I've owned camelbacks, hydroflasks and many other types, and Nalgene are by far the best water bottles I've owned. Some of mine are going on 10 years and still going strong.